What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I am almost at the $100 dividend mark on my M1 Finance Dividend Portfolio. My dividend portfolio is getting a lot stronger. I've made some changes. I'll show you what I added and how my dividends are looking right now. Here's my recent activity. I put a buy in. Iron Mountain gave me $6.53. I bought a total of $76.37 in QYLD, Global X, NASDAQ Cover Call ETF. Iron Mountain gave me $6.53. BIP, Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, gave me, and it looks like I got a special dividend from them. Coca-Cola gave me $4.35. LTC Properties gave me 74 cents. SPHD gave me 83 cents. And then QYLD gave me 48 cents. Land gave me 4 cents. And I made some buys on the 29th recently. Keurig, Dr. Pepper, QYLD, SRET, Welltower, Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund, KeyBank, and Global X Super Dividend ETF. So the strategy appears to be working. So what I did is percentage-wise, I'll just show you my holdings. What I needed to focus on, I have 37 positions. Now for $7,000, it's maybe not the best idea, but if you look at what I'm doing, if I can get, let's see, I have 7 shares of IIPR. If I can get to 20 a piece in all these, I'll start to do some damage. So that's kind of the goal right now. A lot of these stocks, well, if I get to Medtronic, I mean, that's 20 bucks. QYLD, I need to at least, with a lot of my monthly dividend stocks, I need to at least start making 40, 50 bucks a month. Then that'll start really doing some damage. But, the compound interest is kicking in. Making $91, I mean, once I start making $100, then I start making $200, the sky's the limit. So, my goal is to be to $100,000. So these stocks right here, I really need to start, these ones and ExxonMobil, I really need to start getting more shares in these so that I can start buying more stocks. Royal Caribbean, I took advantage of them because they were down. I threw some money in. They'll probably give off a dividend in the future, which will be good. But following the Matt Ramey method and strategy, things will look pretty good. Delta Airlines is at 7 shares. I'm pretty sure from what I read, a lot of the airline and aircraft companies are taking off right now. So once I start adding all these stocks in, the dividends will start flowing. Ryman Hospitality Properties, this is a real estate investment trust that has been down. I capitalized on that when it was down, threw some money in there. WestRock, I know that they took a little bit of a hit, but they should be back eventually. 3M, the company speaks for itself. Boeing, almost at 1 share. I know it's only pretty much $4, I can get out of that, but once I start, the compound interest starts kicking in, that one will start growing. Same thing with Seagate and Maxim Integrated Products. I'm really glad I put money in a semiconductor. Starbucks is looking pretty good right now. I know it's down right now, but the more shares I get with a lot of these companies, the more the potential. Same with Disney and a lot of these companies. I know that a lot of places suspended their dividend, but over time, these are going to be strong and they're going to give off a nice dividend. This one is pretty much like a money one, almost like you can almost call it like a bond. The way it gives off, just gives off a very strong dividend. Keurig, Dr. Pepper, I put money in. Who knows if it gets low or not? We'll see. Global X Super Dividend Rate ETF. That's a strong one. Kind of tempted with Boeing. I know it's almost at 1 share, but if that goes way up, I mean, I might just sell it and just redistribute everything into all the stocks. So that's one option that I have, but such a strong company. I mean, putting money in when it was down was definitely something to capitalize on. But if I do sell this one, I can distribute it into these other companies. So then the percentage and the focus can start being on the other ones. So it's one of those things that capitalize when they're low, but the monthly dividend stocks I'm really going to start attacking because, the sky's the potential with these. With QYLD, PBA, and all these other stocks, they could do some damage. Same with SPHD and LTC. So they give off a good dividend over time. I mean, at one time I had like, oh my God, these people behind me are so annoying. I'm trying to do a lecture, and this is my punishment for having the windows open. But Iron Mountain, this is a good one. ExxonMobil is going to be they're going to be strong. I haven't ruled out a few energy companies or petroleum. So, let me know which ones you guys got for that if you have your M1 Finance portfolio. Any of you guys got IIPR or Unilever, any of those stocks, let me know. But I got some of these bad boys in here, and I'm kind of excited over time. See what I can do. Because these stocks, I am looking at a few of them. Altria is one of them. Even Haynes is another one. I might just throw that in my E-Trade dividend portfolio. Haynes is kind of down, but everybody needs to wear clothes like Haynes, so that's one stock that I'm looking at as well. But let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to be very brief, but give you an update on how things are looking. Make sure you give me a like and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're new. Let me know how your dividend portfolios are doing and how your dividends are doing. Look at this, $91.34. That's pretty exciting on earned dividends. Compound interest is kicking in, and things are looking pretty good right now. So I like what I see. These are some great companies. I have a lot of faith and confidence in them. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but a lot of these, there's a lot of potential with these stocks. So thank you again, and you guys take care. Be safe out there. Make sure you social distance. Make sure you wash your hands, and follow the trends. Watch the trends in COVID. If there's bad areas, just maybe avoid it for a week or so till the numbers go down. So that's just kind of my honest opinion. But thank you again, and be safe and have a good one.